Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I have a lot of exciting things coming up in the next couple of weeks and you don't want to miss it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. This week was a very difficult week to figure out what I wanted to do because there's no holidays in between Mardi Gras and St. Patrick's Day. So I was just like, what am I gonna do? And of course, as always, God comes through and send me a sign. Actually, that sign has been going on for a very, very long time. Every single day when my husband and I are watching Good Morning America, we hear this pop on our window, on our living room window, right there. Every single day. And one day I'm like, what is that pop that we hear every single day? And my husband's like, that's the bird. That's the beak of a bird hitting the window. And automatically I started thinking about that Windex commercial. And I'm thinking, what a dumb bird. He's really crashing into our window every single day. And my husband's like, no, it's probably not the same bird. And it's not crashing, it's actually trying to eat the bugs that fly around our window. So every day you hear these birds, or I don't know if it's the same bird or a different bird, but every single day around the same time, we hear this popping on our window. And it's the birds trying to eat the bugs around the window. So that was my sign, because I had no idea what I was gonna do this week. So this week I'm gonna be making a couple of bird feeders and a bird's bath. So here we go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoy making it because these birds are pretty much part of our family now. As always, I'm going to leave all the core information in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you would like to see more videos like this, and make sure to comment if you are up to making a bird feeder. Alright, until next time, take care.